Hi, this is just a little short video. I'm just going to do it all in one take to show how changing some of the settings on the car can really affect the range that you can get from the Mini Electric. So at the moment the car is 100% charged, it's in the ready state, and you can see the range is 95 miles. The current degrees outside is 3 degrees, the temperature. So let's first of all say what state the car is in. It's in mid-driving mode. The air conditioning is set to auto at 22 degrees and the air conditioning is on because the system is in auto. I have not got the heated seats on or the heated rear screen. So let's, first thing to do is turn the temperature down. It's currently set to 22 degrees. Let's see if turning it down makes any difference to the range. So I've just turned it down to 18 degrees, and as you can see the range has actually increased. It's now gone up to 101 miles. So just from reducing the temperature you can get some extra range. Now let's turn off the air conditioning. So we're at 101, turn off the aircon, and we go to 107. So that's added another 6 miles to the range. Let's now go into green mode, see if that makes a difference. Slight difference, it went up to 108. Let's put it in green plus, which I wouldn't recommend in this weather because the heating is off completely. And green plus gives us absolutely no difference, and that's probably because we'd already turned the heating down quite low and turned the air conditioning off. So let's put it back into mid mode where we get 107. Let's try sport. Will sport reduce it any further? No, it doesn't. Back into mid, we're at 107. Let's put the car back into auto heating. So from 107 it has gone down to 102. Let's crank, that's at 18 degrees in auto. Let's crank it back up to 22 degrees. At 22 degrees we've gone down to 94 miles. So you can see there is quite a range that you can affect just by adjusting the heating. Let's try it in the worst situation now. Let's crank the temperature up to maximum. Let's crank it up to 28 degrees. Let's put on the heated seats and the heated rear screen and whack the car into sport mode. Does that affect it? Yes, you can see we're right down now to 88 miles. So that's probably the work. Let's get the fan right up to full as well. 80 miles. So we're now at 80 miles range. Let's go to the complete opposite end of the scale. Let's flick it right down into green plus. So we're going to go from 80 miles, heated rear screen off, heated seats off, fan off, heating off completely, back up to 108 miles. So a 28 mile difference in range just by changing the settings in the car. Quite an interesting little test. So if you're really struggling to get that extra few miles, turn a few of your devices off.